Mama wakwaba, wafreme Addo setting mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell also for more news.
Okay, Epio, let's talk about that same hospital facility. No, Honorable Ajimamenu, Omone Health Ministry, no government, Equity another 50 million American dollars. Done. And none of your day equipo no. At your say, you me the fair nipa. I moved to 2018 for the first time. You to me receive then. You to me receive for our University of Ghana Medical Center. I can mention this and so many hospital projects here. Sabio, a work green book Musa Yabi, Nancy Lukra Wana Foundation, a Kufado by a the above one say Kufado BB, our health, I want to say, Ghana, we have a population of 33 million. Okay, and now we had an ambulance service that only had 55 ambulances with 35 of them working constantly. 10 years. We had 55 or mining in from Nkrumah Besiano. Now your ambulance here, we are say Ghana, we are saying now 55. Okay, 55 no, it was 35. And as the workers of UDC road biswa, ube to me the apone. No, yam fan found down. Yam fan fame. President Akufo-Addo hene ya ne ya ene enu bi ne be fa no. Utie. Did you? Mahama kwati kokoniwa. Enu bi ne ye de be fa no. Enti wo Ghana citizen no so be da ambulance boy ye da wawo. Enu no ye ba ne ye de afa wo ne akoto ato akura. Esi wo cha sabi ubetua kenti Ghana. Meboa. Say ambulance ne drop wa na kokos esi wo twan a extra cost. Meboa. Yeah. Now aban bi aba. Stoneboy, listen to me carefully. Healthcare thrives with ambulances. Canada have it here. Hey, Eden Ekwe ba kwa na ejramwa. Adan ya ejramwa na koke bia so. Amana kuma 20 no trauma. Ye nkwohwa na kuma. Ambulance. Oh, my dog cannot eat. Yeah. Here not to ambulance. Utie. Yeah. The neko. Ghana so the ebi ni ho. Now, for the first time in the history of Ghana, who could the 275 constituencies? Now, you have a constituency via ambulance. You are telling me that that government hasn't done nothing about healthcare? A brochure quite a helicopter crowd, I can't. You need to that's you. Ambulance, and yes, and Ghana for him say, you. Yeah, my NDC for Pine say, Addo Forsen, Dr. Zakaria, Health Minister. Mumbo modern, mutie. Namun koshe ambulance ya yebet media. But almost some bebre 100 ambulances now. Omoka so omo de beba no. Emu 30 ene bedu ye done. Me pacho mineska me sendi bi ama. Me pesa wo ko Bema camp won. Minim some be boa o se on be ma sa chance na. Na me nko kai. Just 30 ambulance no. NDC for kofa ba ya bebo ye ka no. Ko ne ko twa ne picture na fa beto. Done. They went and brought Addo and Pennim and Konyanim. And I say, we can't want them that. Yeah, did the monitor. Yaka, you do. Yes, I did the monitor say, be away in the ambulance. Done. Yeah, discuss it. Yeah, discuss it. Crowded. Yeah, from almost a moment, the NT, our man covers the ambulance. Naba. One was a person magazine for you, Juma. Magazine for the bone, Konyanim, Pa, Ediesim. It's from Mokofa, the Tony Baye. These people have the infantry today to talk about San and Akufo-Addo about healthcare. All right. The coronavirus exposing a big time. Papa no call us 88. They say there be 88 be back actually. Done. What way? Agenda 111. Who be a start man do baby? Who be? Now we let me give. So what is this supposed to do? If there's a Gonyane one day now, no one see the state hospitals in the area. Oh dear, yeah, free health one na yemra last one so na yen sorry so na yemre kopa. Last one here enkrofo asetena mu ukọ edwaso a enyoma boa aye din. Enyoma boa ye den se nyoma ni bi ni obi wo adwane wo ho enso ne boa wuntimi nto na wuntimi nto fridge wuntimi nto TV ene ade aban ni betwa yi bibia fa ho anase we agye nsem otunye hwe fa ho ne yemfa sorry so. All right, we have two ways, exogenous and then inward, what we ourselves are causing to ourselves. Ghana inflation, most of it is because of greed of the people. In Nipano, only greedy. Done. Baby, Yabeka said, unya brody ne nto nti ese wo ton aboden me boa nti ade na ne de brody ne buye no still a wo ton aboden
nwanwa ka sika yate fuel so a driver for so monte so da
nti kai yanko ka sika so omo kofa omo de fa car na e ba me boa and then for 8 months direct yate fuel so 8 months I'm ready to debate anybody 8 months direct Ghana yate no petrol so enti ade na no nipa na all ka say auto brody no because of petrol ayatutum na so yate petrol so so on the on te so nent so china eno ya aban no aban ne bi obeya ne say ye beya na petrol na ba form aban ya na fam di ana
waye
nti ade nti na wo a wo te bucket wo no se wo dia so dia hu so ma say oh we are still here nti wo mia den no nim so wo su bia do ka koto bi na ma on the store mo so emia Ebio, let's talk about the final hardship thing that you even brought. Hardship. It's not peculiar to Ghana alone. Don. Toilet roll ya is here. Toilet roll. First, near ton be ukra be $6. Utu toilet roll. And then over toilet roll almost $18, $17, $16, $15. When you're not fire $12. Enti question me person me bisa ne say adenti na broche de niama boy den a okay ye betua but Ghana de niama boy den a aban. Why should it be so?
Is this something that has been already put in the head of people? Say enyoma din na o mine mu ye din a aban na ayama o mine mu ye din into that. Yenya adwen satra na.
That is my work on social media. Niama ni bi wo wa aban but enya bibia na aban aban say dollar na wo de kofa niama and na yama na $7 na is stable enti aka wo so ba ye no ka wo bet niama no so anasa ka bet turn the way na wo turn first na me boa adenti na ba ye no dollar na is stable but still how person wutum because unim say ya nka say ye dwadini no na de niama toto na yi so ye be ka say aban na aye.
Okay,
so they hide behind aban to bully their own friends, their own people. They hide behind a buying to sell their things at high price, when indeed the things are supposed to be low. Now, finally, Omo construction, me ma statistics we me pa Jordan ko check mame. Tuesday, Obana says me wrong, I can't tell me say me wrong. As we speak, yati cement so how are near to cement 2022 so now cement above from. Okay, depending on what type of cement you're out on. But Tuesday, they are making in Abrabe correcting you. So okay. If you think I'm lying, I come and correct you.
Okay.
Iron rods. No boy, and the packet of iron rods.
Okay.
Pioneer nails that the prego are near the boy and near them, and then Yamia room. Paint. You be paint here, die. You see, we are paint and they are teso. Roofing sheet. You do crew dance so who share price and near ton in January. Now share price a ton and die at so. So the question is, are they not buying it there or sitting in near so? Now a few individuals, one person better so. Now hardship, now ordinary citizens they failing our from. A buying say near man so said the bear who I would turn also better so that Timemunino and Nasi Crumenino and a son fast. A buying say some of our their own to some